Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make two different kinds of sandwiches, and these are all these my ingredients here for sandwiches. I have these different kinds of meat. There's turkey and roast beef and tomatoes, avocado. I have this craft sandwich spread, and the other one is the Kraft Miracle Whip made with olive oil. And I have the white bread, and I have also here the whole wheat bread. The first thing I'm gonna do is toast a bread. I wanna toast white bread. And then while that one is, and while waiting for my bread, uh, I will cut this avocado. To cut avocado, to go like this, cut it in half. For some people that they know how to cut avocados, and take the seed out like that, turn. There's your avocado ready. And scoop the avocado out in the shell, out in the skin. That. There. And then take this stem and slice like that. There. And I have to wash my tomatoes. Wash the other one. There. Wash my hands. And here's my toast. It's ready. Set that aside. And I will slice my two tomatoes. I'm just using one. I'm just slicing one tomato for now. Set that aside. I have another ingredients here to add. I have this melts. It's what they call that, cheese slices and lettuce. I'm gonna wipe this. There. Then I have to use this Miracle Whip. then next thing I'm gonna do is add the meat. The first thing I'm gonna do is add the meat. This is pork. This is roast beef slice. Wash my hands. Then I will add tomatoes. Just 2 tomatoes. And then the avocado. This is a very healthy sandwich, guys. And then next is the slices, cheese slices. It just stuck in my mouth. And then the last thing I'm just gonna add is the lettuce. And then cover this up like that. And there you have your avocado and meat sandwich. The last sandwich I'm gonna make is this is a whole wheat. And then I have to put Miracle Whip. And then I have to use a turkey slice this time. Like that. And then tomatoes, sliced tomatoes. And then sliced avocado. And then the cheese, sliced cheese. Then the last is the lettuce. And here's the sandwich. This is turkey. Yeah, we'll take this tomorrow for lunch. We're gonna go try to hunt an elk tomorrow. Hopefully, we're gonna have a luck. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my video. And see you again next time. Bye-bye.